All right, in this problem, they're asking us to reflect each of the points across line L, and they want us to connect point P to point P prime to form line segment PP prime. Alrighty, well, what are some of the things that I see that I know or that I might wonder when I look at this problem? So I see that I have 1, 2, 3 points, and I see that there is one of those points that is directly on my line L. They were asking me to do a reflection, and I know that from our lesson yesterday that means that I'm going to be flipping something across. They're saying across, but I'm also wondering, well, how far across? So if I'm going to go across the line, do I go across here, across where? And then line segment, I'm going to be making a line segment, and I know that that's just me connecting 2 points together. So let's go with step number 1. So first thing is that you want to outline all of your points and the line of reflection. Okay, I know that I'm going to be reflecting, so that means that I am going to be essentially flipping this to the other side. When I do this, I am going to match my middle point that I had on the line right on the line again, so that I could map my other images. So A is going to be right about there. So this would be A prime. My Q, we already said, it's essentially the same location as my Q prime. And my P is actually ending up on this side. When I reflect it over the Y, it is going to be the exact same distance away from the line. So this distance would be equal to this distance to our image P, which would be around there. So this would be P prime. Then they wanted us to make a line segment connecting point P to point P prime. So I am going to do that with my ruler. Now remember, because you're doing this on your computer, you will be using your screen protector. You could just put it on top of your computer. Mark your computer screen with an expo to be able to mark your points as best as you can. Alrighty, so the new learning that we have for today is that a reflection is a type of rigid motion. We were talking about transformations, and it's basically manipulating a point in some way. In this case, we are manipulating it so that it reflects across the y-axis. And our line of reflection is going to be this line L, because a line of reflection maps the points from one side of the line to the other side of the line. So that would be that. And in conclusion, when I reflected points across line L, I formed points A prime, Q prime, and P prime. And reflecting across a line creates a segment perpendicular to the lines of reflection. So this is my line of reflection. And reflecting one of these points across the line makes this line segment, which is perpendicular, meaning that each of the angles is 90 degrees on here. And that is it for today. See you next time.